onlyguitar.com, and in this lesson video, how to play a slightly updated version of End of the World. This song has quite a few chords in it, so let's get started with the left hand. If you haven't already, click the link below the video to download the chord chart. I'm going to be referring to it, and it'll make a lot more sense if you can look at it as we go. First chord is an E. Your first finger goes on the 3rd string, 1st fret. Middle finger plays the 5th string, 2nd fret, and your ring finger plays the 4th string, also 2nd fret, and you're going to play 6 strings. Now to play the B chord, we're going to bar across the 2nd fret, and then basically play the 4th string, 3rd string, and 2nd string all on the 4th fret, 2 frets up. Notice that because we're going to be playing a lot of bar chords in this. My ring finger fits over those, and I can usually play the high string too, but if you can't play the high string, just play the 4 middle ones. 5, make sure you get a nice low root on that B, and you're just playing the 4 middle strings. It doesn't matter if that one works or not. I'll keep your tip of your index finger against the low E. Next chord is a C sharp minor, not as hard as it sounds. Slide this shape up 2 frets. The root is still on the 5th string, so keep your first finger pressing down the 5th string with the tip of it touching the E string. Your middle finger is going to play the 2nd string 1 fret up from your index finger. The ring finger is going to reach over and play the 4th string 2 frets up, and the pinky crowds behind it also 2 frets up on the 3rd string. You're going to play the 5 strings. Once you've got this down, it gets easy. The G sharp minor, we're going to shift everything over 1 string. Your first finger is now playing the 6th string on the 4th fret. Pick up your middle finger and move these 2 fingers over to the 5th and 4th strings. Now there's a little walk on the A, so you're going to want to play it with your first finger all the way across. Hey, wait a minute, that looks kind of familiar, doesn't it? If we were playing a bar chord, yeah, so you're doing the same thing. And we're going to play the A for the root, and then you're going to take your ring finger and play the G sharp, the 4th fret, 6th string, letting that mute the 5th string while you do it. We're going to walk that down to the F sharp minor. First finger goes all the way across, gets a nice solid F sharp root on the 6th string, 2nd fret. Middle finger hangs. Ring finger plays the 5th string, 4th fret. Your pinky plays the 4th string, also on the 4th fret, all 6 strings. Now this is really cool. To go from the F sharp minor to the G sharp minor, you're just going to slide up 2 frets. Don't pick anything up. 2 ways to play the B7. You can stick with the bar chord, except roll your ring finger up so it's just playing the 4th string, 4th fret, and put your pinky on the 2nd string, 4th fret. Play those same 4 strings. Skip down to the bridge, the I wake up in the morning, and I wonder, everything the same as it was. G sharp minor, you already know. A G sharp 7, no minor, stay on the 4th fret. You're going to move your middle finger still hangs, ring finger moves over to the 4th string 2 frets up, pinky gets the 2nd string 2 frets up. Hey, wait a minute, that's the same as the B7. Bar chords are really neat. And the A minor at the end of that, just in case you don't know it, first finger goes on the 2nd string 1st fret, middle finger plays the 4th string 2nd fret, and the ring finger crowds behind on the 3rd string 2nd fret. How dramatic. The meter, the time signature of this song is 12/8. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We're strumming down for every time I count. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. And like usual, we're accenting the downbeat, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and we're going to accent it even stronger. The first one, we're going to accent the first one even stronger by not hitting the upstroke after it. It's a variation on the boom diggy diggy. Boom diggy diggy. There are variations throughout the song, but you can get them with your ear if you keep that going in this hand. If you try to guess at it, it's going to come out of it's going to be out of time every time. You might try starting this a little bit slower. Down, 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 down. 1 and a 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and Start even slower. 1 and 2 and 3 check the links below the video for a play-along video, links to other songs that you might like to learn, and below that there's a big gray box that's for questions. It says speak your mind. If you have any questions on your mind, please feel free to ask me. I'm Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and this has been How to Play End of the World. Thank you for watching.